year comes to an end, there are a lot of things around my apartment that I want to change, organize, declutter, all of that. So that is what we are doing tonight. I stay in a studio apartment, so if you know, in studio apartments it is so easy for little areas to get really cluttered and just look like there's too much going on in one space. So as I'm tackling areas of my lovely apartment, I'm going to share that with you guys today. I have this little area over here. It is a mess. Don't listen. We're gonna get to it, but it has a bunch of stuff, okay? These all need to go out to the trash, just a whole bunch of stuff, okay? This is my little apothecary area that needs to be revamped, reorganized, all of that. There's brooms. Listen, we're gonna clean this little nook up. Now, once again, I said I stay in a studio apartment, and this is what I mean, because you have like little nooks like in the area like this, which is like, it's just like, what do you do? It gets cluttered really easily. So I'm excited to get to this tonight and start to clean this. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna set up my camera. We're gonna clear all of this out. We're gonna sweep the floor, all that. And then I'm gonna go through and organize these tiers that I have here and organize everything. And then we're gonna kind of put some pieces in to kind of make this corner look a little bit better. So let's get to it.
Coming into view, taking my own form, letting the original come out on the dance floor, sharing all of me, the good, the bad, the past, wondering who that is, and I'm so glad you asked.
CCB, could it be? Yes, me new, so no D&D. Leave my mark on the world, check my B&E. Living out the ordinary fantasy. Play piano on a beach in Eden. Make acquaintance with the soul I'm seeking. Bring the weird kids and make sure they're eating. Take a step back, cause it's Charlie's season. Okay. Seasoned with character, bars are on every real positive character. Bring out the better in me. Make sure you see the real on camera. I ain't tryna be nobody but Charlie Bandana. Oh my, I ain't tryna be real as Santa. Propaganda or the city Atlantis. In a glow, good to go like lanterns. I wanna be in cabanas, hit it with me like ain't worried about nobody. Can't nobody else copy. Yeah, ain't no point stopping. I'm focused on me.
Ain't worried about nobody, can't nobody else copy. I'm making it a new hobby. I'm focused on me, focused on me.
I just dropped my, what is it called? Hibiscus flowers all over the floor. The jar was loose. And no wonder the jar doesn't fit. The top doesn't fit.
Focused on me, focused on me, focused on me, focused on me. Been worried about people for a long time. Stepping out of that into my own life. Smiling now more than ever. Ear to ear, yeah, doing a lot better.
Okay, so everything is cleared out. So this is what this corner looks like, minus the hibiscus flowers that fell on my floor. And then also this area over here is all cleared out. So we just have like the stands in this area, and that is it. So it already looks so much better to me because there's just all this like clear space. And then this is what the rest of my apartment is looking like, or my kitchen, but we're not going to go into that because we just moved everything behind us. But we're going to focus here. Okay, we're going to focus here. So we are going to sweep this area, clean it up, and then we're going to start to reorganize it. So let's do it.
2015 is gone, but I'm not singing no sunset songs. This is a joyful cry, lifting my sound up to the highest sky. N-O-E-L, she's got a story that she's got to tell. Rejection, abandonment, homeless.
Okay, so everything in this area is swept out and all that. This area right here sure does need to be mopped. but we're gonna worry about that another day because I just kind of want to set things up. So now that everything is swept up, everything is removed from both stands, we are now going to place things where I want them to go. Like I'm gonna put these, I believe, against this wall, like this stand here. I'll show you guys. And then this stand on this wall as well, maybe a little table or something. Just a little like setup before we actually have to place it back, what we have to place back here. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Okay, so for this side of the room or the wall, I actually want to keep the stands here. I like how it looks here. So I wanted to just put this stand here and then take this stand and place it like right next to it, like that. And then put like a little table here. My only thing that I'm a little concerned about is that this is kind of rickety, and I have all of my essential oils and stuff on this stand. So my mindset is, if there's an earthquake, because I live in LA, and all that falls, I mean, I don't think they're gonna break, but
you ain't even heard of half of it. My future is bright, I'm shining my light. I'm standing right here, my focus is clear. You can't stop me now. Don't you know I ain't worried about?
Ain't worried about nobody. Can't nobody else come.
okay, y'all. So I put them on the other side of the wall. I kind of think this works a little bit better than on this wall, because I feel like when you're coming into my kitchen, like where this walkway comes in, I just feel like it was just too much coming in. So I think this is where I'm going to keep them. And it kind of like bummed me because I'm like, I just took all that stuff off of there. If I would have known, I would have just kept it. But this is where we're going to keep like the apothecary. So I guess that's where everything is going to go. Now moving back to this side of the wall, I have like a snake plant that I'm thinking I want to place in this corner. And I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this corner because I now have so much space here. So I'm just trying to figure out like what do I want to utilize this space for, or what do I want to place in this space. So I have like a chair. Hold on. I have like this spare chair, this extra chair that I kind of only use when my guests come over or something. So I was thinking I can put it in the corner like that. I don't like how that looks. Hold on. And like, y'all, my snake plant is not doing the best, so don't judge it. But so I was thinking about something like this for that corner. Just using the spare chair and then placing like my plants or those on there. I don't know. Something to kind of fill up this space a little bit more, something to make it look nice and homey. I'm not too sure, but let's go ahead and let's put back everything in my apothecary, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so it's the morning, so I wanted to give you guys a better look at the space because I was filming at night. So this is what the corner once again looks like. So everything is nice and organized on my apothecary, and I really do like it so far. And then of course, you know, we have all the space here, and then I just have my plant on a random chair. On this side I have my plant on that random chair, and then this side wall of course is all clear. Now I do have an idea. I thought about it overnight. I want to put a plant stand here with like multiple plants. I think that would look really nice in that corner. And I do have 3 plants. My other plant is in the window, so I wanted to start to get more plants. So I do think a plant here will look really nice right there. So I will get that for that corner. But that so far is the only thing that I want to like actually do with that corner there. And if time goes and I decide to add something else, then I will, but I just pretty much just wanted this floor space. I really just wanted to open up this floor and get rid of all the crap that was here. And then this is what's left, so I'm just gonna go ahead and like take some of this stuff out to the trash that doesn't really belong, except for that that fridge. I gotta figure out where I want to put it. I don't think I want to put it back on my kitchen counter, but anyways, so this is what the final looks like. And so yeah, I'm really happy about it. And like I said, y'all, the new year is coming up. It's time to clean your space, so definitely take the time out today, next week, anytime before the year, and get your space together. And I'll see you guys in another video.
Yeah, ain't no point stopping. I'm focused on me.